Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Hey, y'all, I want to do a little video here. Y'all know I made peach jelly and plum jelly, and even, let me hold on just a second, and some peach preserves, which I have here. I already made a video of this when I did my peach pie, baked peach pie, but I never had tried it on a biscuit before. So I'm gonna do a video, make some homemade biscuits. Not homemade, I'm gonna make my Formula L biscuit. Y'all know my Formula L biscuit mix that I got a lot of sponsors from. So I use this now to make my biscuits. I'm gonna make a few biscuits here, not a lot. With my, I'll put a link at the end of the video on the Formula L. This is the best biscuit mix you can ever buy. Like I said, when you make these biscuits, you'll swear they're homemade. I really attest to that, y'all. I really do. When I did my original video on it, people didn't believe me, and they tried it, and it's absolutely amazing. You can get it online. I get mine at local Walmart. Of course, I get all I want sent to me, but you can get it at Walmart in your local area. Usually Walmart has it. So, yeah. So let's get started, y'all. It's supposed to be buttermilk and just the mix. I don't have any buttermilk, so I gotta make my own buttermilk. So this is another learning curve for y'all today. So every cup of buttermilk, this is 2 cups of milk here. I put 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and I put a little baking soda in it. It's gonna cause a crazy reaction, and that's gonna give me my buttermilk. So I put a couple of tablespoons of vinegar in here. A bit more than I needed. And I'm gonna put a little baking soda. It's gonna cause a little chemical reaction. Stir that up, and you're gonna have clabbered milk. That's gonna be your buttermilk right there, y'all. That stuff gonna clabber up just like buttermilk. So if you don't have buttermilk at home, that's the easiest way to make buttermilk, y'all. You don't stress out of it. So anyway, add the milk to this. It's a measurement on the bag, y'all, but I'm just, just doing it old school style. Just playing it by ear, just like Mama do. And the key is biscuits, of course, y'all know, is to not over mix your biscuits there. Okay, put some flour out on my board here. Just a second, y'all. I gotta get the biscuit cutter from here. Just a second here. I'll use this size right here. Okay, now I'm gonna put some flour in here on my counter here. I'm gonna say this is so easy, y'all. Biscuits, so easy, simple. Put a little bit more flour, a little bit more mix in here, y'all. I think I got a little bit too much milk in here. But yeah, y'all, like I was saying, these Formula L biscuit mix, you can make pancakes with it. I'm gonna have a video come out pretty soon. I'm gonna start doing actually more breakfast items, y'all. People have been requesting me to do more breakfast items, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start doing more breakfast dishes. The reason I don't, a lot of times I'm working during the morning time, so on the weekends I really don't eat much breakfast, so that's why I don't do a lot of breakfast videos. Okay, now all I'm gonna do, y'all, let me get my old reliable. I ain't gonna even need a rolling pin for this, y'all. I'm just doing like Mama used to do it. I'm making layers here, y'all, of course. I make layers, as much as layers as I can. And I'm gonna just, roll it out with my hand. You can use a rolling pin, but with this small amount, y'all, I don't even need a rolling pin. I put a little flour on top. That's it. Let me wash my hands right quick here. And, we'll get these in the oven. I guess it's another 30 minutes or less meals, right? Yeah, look, 30 minutes or less meals here, because these definitely ain't gonna take that long, biscuits. Okay, I got my pan here, y'all. Sprayed here. I'm gonna just cut these things out. See how easy that was? That's easy as pie right there, y'all. Easiest biscuit you ever make. And I like to put my biscuits close together. Everybody's different. I like that little, see, some people don't like them close together. Some people like that little crispy edge on them. I like that moist edge on my biscuits. Okay, see if we can re-roll them one more time here. Need more, see if I can get 2 more out of here, y'all. That's all I need in this pan, 2 more. I just need 2 more out of here. There we go. There we go. Now, what I'm gonna do one more little trick my mom used to do, and I still do to today. That leftover chicken grease I have left over here, I just pat it on the top here. Maybe y'all can see this. I got some leftover chicken grease. Sometimes it's bacon grease. On my top of my stove, I just put that right on top there, y'all. That's what she used to do all the time. I guess it helps it brown. I know it gives it flavor. And that's it. I'm gonna put it in the oven 350 degrees, about 15 to 18 minutes. We're gonna come back. I'm gonna put me some, I got a little sausage here, pork sausage I got from my Imperfect Food haul. I'm gonna fry off me a little sausage. We're gonna have some sausage biscuits and peach jelly, plum jelly, and peach preserve. We're gonna try all of them. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, biscuits is ready. It took about, actually it took 12 minutes. I like to brush a little butter on top of them, y'all. Get a little butter brushed on them. And then we're going to take them out and we're going to try them. They're a little too hot right now. I'm going to let them cool for just a few minutes. And then we're definitely going to try them out. So I'll be right back once I get them out, put them on a plate here, and we're going to try them right back out. But see how golden brown they are, and you'll see how flaky they are when I'm going to drop these things. See that? Nice golden brown biscuit. Didn't take me, this whole video, this whole cooking experience only took 20 minutes, 25 minutes really. So anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. And look at these biscuits here. I'm going to pick one up here. Look at a nice biscuit. They still hot. So what I'm going to do, I think I'll try the peach preserve first since I got it already open from a previous video. Give me a bunch of biscuits here. Oh yeah, you know they're gonna just flake apart. Let me get a little piece of this here. Peach jelly, peach preserve out of here. Pull that on there. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's country eating there, y'all. That's country eating. Okay. I'm gonna get my plum jelly open. Cause y'all never really got to see the finished product of these jellies when I did them. Okay. Biscuit there. Jelly there. Plum jelly on there. I'll try this one out. What's so amazing about plum jelly, y'all? It has that tang in it. You know, that little sourness tang. It works well with the sweetness. Okay, now the peach, which is one of my favorites too. Look at that. All right, they're gonna fall on there and we'll eat it like that. You gotta just sit on there, that jelly. Ain't no wrong, y'all. I got me some little sausages here. Another thing I like to do, I'm gonna say, man, this man is so country. Put me a little peach jelly right here. A little plum jelly here. A little plum on the plate. And what I like to do, y'all, I don't even need a biscuit. Take a little of this with the sausage. That saltiness of the sausage, the sweetness of the jelly, it just works so well together. That's what I used to do as a kid. Excuse me, y'all, while I have breakfast. Try a little. Look at this one. Look at this bite. Alright, y'all. I have to get the cameras on, just eating here like crazy. Like I'm here by myself. Which I am, but got the camera on. But anyway, hold on just a second. I chew that up. Okay. But I just want to show y'all the jelly, how it sets up, how it looks. Because I never get to show you the jelly right after I make it, because I like my jelly to cure minimum a week, most 2 weeks. So this, the peach jelly I made, it's been over a month. Plum jelly been 2 weeks, so they only going to get better as they set up. That's amazing about jelly. If they set up a year, if I taste these, they ain't going to last a year, but they was going to last a year. I was tasting a year from now, the flavor will be amazing. That's what it is about homemade jelly. But anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share your comments. I really appreciate it. Y'all had me laughing the last few days about my dirty flour. I'm going to patent that and I'm going to come out with a bag of dirty flour. Of course, it ain't going to be dirty flour. It's going to be real flour. But I'm working on that now. My team is working on that. To get somebody to sponsor me selling flour called Old School Dirty Flour. I'm already working on that one. So y'all stay tuned for that. I got my team in the works. We already got the groundwork of getting on that. We're going to start selling bags of dirty flour. Just for the lady out there. There's a couple of them out there that say, one lady said on the comment, it's not sanitary using that flour that you bread with the same chicken you bread with to make gravy with. She said it ain't sanitary. All I can do is just shake my head at certain individuals. I really can't. Maybe they just knew it cooking, they never cooked, I don't know, maybe they never been through the struggle. Maybe they didn't never had to use what you got and stretch what you got. Maybe those people are the type of people that never been to old school, just struggling, trying to make ends meet, and maybe they have and just act like they haven't. I'm not the person that try to think that I've always been doing well. Like I tell people, you see my glory, but you do not even know my story. So, yeah, a lot of people, they just, what they call them, and young people say haters. Yeah. So, anyway, enough preaching. But anyway, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV. Speaking of Twitch TV in January is to go big time. I'm going to start doing lives on there. I'm going to start doing more lives on YouTube here and Facebook. My team is pushing me. I've just been so busy. So as things kind of settled back down, I'm going to start doing more cooking lives and stuff like that. I know y'all really enjoy it. I need to make time for that at least once a month. Facebook and a YouTube live. So remember the hashtag 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. We have a few months. We got September. This is August. We got August, September, October, November, December. 5 more months in this year. Let's really push helping people, man. It's very important, especially in the holiday season when people are lonely and struggling. Just help somebody out there. That's all. So anyway, until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.